Hello everyone, today's video is a double wing liner using neon yellow, which is super fun. So I'm going to start off by using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Auburn to do my eyebrows. I always use this, but if you guys can recommend another product that I can try out, I'm happy to do so. I just love this so much and it's so easy to use, so I just never really steer away from it. But I do want to try new things, so let me know. I'm going to also clean up the brows and use this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer as an eyeshadow base as well, using something different as I always tend to use the P. Louise base, which is honestly the best. But I am trying to use different products in every video just so you guys can see what they look like and how I use them. After I apply it to the whole lid, I then just go in with a kabuki brush and pat that into the skin and blend out the edges, just so when we do our foundation later it all blends in together. And then I go ahead and set down the base using a translucent powder. Using this bronzer by Morphe in the shade Megastar, I'm just going to grab that on a big fluffy eye blending brush and run that through my crease area. You can see I'm placing it just a bit above my natural crease because I do have hooded eyes. And then I'm just going to blend that out. I didn't really want any eyeshadow for this look, but I just wanted a little something to kind of tie it all in together. I just didn't want a bare lid. For liner, I'm using the Inglot Gel Liner in 90. This is actually a very dark brown gel liner. It kind of looks black, but it's not. I just thought it would go better with the yellow, and I just wanted to try something different as opposed to doing black all the time. I thought it was fun and it turned out really cute. I do have hooded eyes, so I do keep this wing quite thin, but if you do have a bigger lid space, you can make this thicker and a bit more bold. I did grab a liner brush and I lined my upper and lower lash line, as well as taking it into the inner corner. Now moving on to the fun part, I'm using this water activated neon liner in the shade Lemon by Ivana Beauty, and I'm just applying that on top of the brown liner. Now this is a little bit of work. You need to be quite careful and just pretty much not breathe to do this step. But yeah, we got there in the end and it turned out so fun. I do have hooded eyes, so it was a little bit harder to do, but it's doable still. Then I just chucked on a pair of Ivana Beauty silk lashes in the style Alec. If any of you guys are after affordable, high quality eyelashes, then definitely go and check out www.ivanabeauty.com.au. There is over 30 different styles ranging from mink, faux mink and silk eyelashes. We do offer Afterpay and Zip. Also, we do ship worldwide. Moving on to the face, I'm using the Huda Beauty Body Highlighter in the shade Luna just to add a little bit of glow to my skin. Now this product does dry very quick, so I do suggest you work with the product very quick using a buffing brush and buffing that into the skin. I then just went ahead and spritzed my face with MAC Fix Plus before I did my foundation. Using the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation, mixing that with the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. I didn't have my shade, but I have a jumper on anyway, so I just blended that down my neck. Now this is like the perfect matte combo for my skin type. I'm like normal to dry, so I feel like this just works really well for me when I'm wanting a full coverage look. I like to blend this foundation in with a kabuki brush because it works quicker than using a sponge. Plus the Faux Filter Foundation dries super quick as well. For concealer, I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC20 and just placing that underneath my eyes and also down the center of my face, just where I always highlight. I don't usually highlight anywhere different, but I apply that using a concealer brush, and then I just go in with my Ivana Beauty Cake Sponge and blend out the concealer. Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, you will know that I always used to use this concealer. It's such an oldie but a goodie. It's just something that I always will continue to have in my makeup collection that I can always reach back and use. It's just so full coverage and it's easy to blend, and there's a massive color range as well. Now for a bit of a cream contour, using this foundation stick by MAC in the shade NC60. I just place that everywhere that I would usually contour, so my cheekbones, my temple, underneath my chin, my jawline and my nose. And then I just went in with my Ivana Beauty Cake Sponge and blended that contour out. I've been really into cream contouring lately, so if there's any products you guys want me to try out, let me know in the comments down below. Then to set down the concealer, I'm using the Kat Von D loose powder just on a setting brush, and I'm pressing that into my under eye and also down the center of my face. To enhance our cream contour, I'm using this Cheerleaders palette by Benefit. I took the shade Dallas and just started to contour just all over the places that we already laid down the cream contour. So the cheekbones, underneath the jawline, the chin, the nose, the forehead. You know the drill. I just wanted this contour to be a little bit more dramatic because my foundation was so full coverage. And then I thought, you know what, it's still not enough, so let's go in using the Becca Sunlit Bronzer and apply a little bit of a darker bronzer with a little bit of glow in it and just see where that takes us. It actually turned out a lot better, so I'm happy that I did that. And then of course I just went in with a bit of powder and cleaned up the contour. Picking up the peachy shade from that same palette, I'm just going to blend that straight on top of my contour. This looks beautiful over bronzer. It's got like a nice sheen to it. To highlight the face, I'm using the Ivana Beauty Diamond Cut Highlighter in Radiant, and I'm just placing that on the tops of my cheekbones, down the center of my face and also my brow bone. Using the same Morphe bronzer that we used earlier on, I'm just going to run that underneath my lash line and really blow it out and make it nice and blended. And then I just took the Becca bronzer again and smudged that underneath the lash line closest to the waterline, just to give it a little bit more depth. I then went ahead and applied some mascara to the lower lashes. I used the Maybelline Sensational Mascara. I've been reaching for this a lot lately. I'm really loving it. I then went ahead and applied MAC Strip Down for my liner, and I actually went with more of a rounded, more pouty Cupid's bow in this look, and I actually really loved how it turned out. I decided to just use a gloss in this look, and I love how it turned out. I used the Ivana Beauty Diamond Cut Gloss Topper in the shade White Diamonds. To finish the look, I just used my Fix Plus by MAC and spritzed down my face. So that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel after. And I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.